Hi guys, it's currently about 9:30 on a Friday evening, and basically what's going on, snow here in good old southwest Nebraska is really coming down, and basically, I'll show you here in a second, I am flat out of gas, and basically when you're out of gas during this type of weather, that's not good, because you don't know if you'll get stranded somewhere or what. So basically, what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna go get some gas. Well, that was lower earlier. Pull up and pump gas. That's great. 54.51. I don't know, even though I just wasted half a paycheck, I mean, it's always nice to see your fuel gauge on full.